Hello there, beautiful people. This is Nathaniel with the Fat Stacks Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your paycheck into an extra $4,175 with the best checking bonuses of 2026. So if that sounds good for you, let's get to the slideshow and start stacking. So the way we're going to turn our paycheck into an extra $4,000 over the next year is by leveraging the bank's greed against each other. Basically, there are always dozens of banks that are looking for new customers. The way they often get these customers is through promotional bonuses. Why do they want new customers, you might think? The reason why is because they want your money. They use your predictable paycheck every single month to make millions and millions of dollars on just treasuries and other low risk securities and other things like that. And the more money they have under management, the more they make for their shareholders. So even if you have a free checking account, ultimately your bank is making a lot of money on the back end off of you. And I think that's just not right. So to make some of our money back, we're going to use the bank's greed against each other. Since they are always looking for new customers, the banks compete against each other with these promotional offers. The bonuses we're going to be talking about in this video are checking bonuses that are triggered whenever you route your direct deposit into those accounts. For the purposes of this video, I'm assuming we have a bi-weekly paycheck of $1,500. That seems to be a reasonable range for most incomes in America right now, and that you're paid bi-weekly like a normal W-2 job. Obviously, that will vary depending on your specific situation, but for this one, I think that's a good median way of looking at it. So we are going to masterfully deploy our paycheck and start with bonus number one, Wells Fargo. Right now, they are offering a $400 direct deposit bonus whenever you sign up for an account and have a direct deposit of at least $1,000 hit your account within the first 90 days. One reason I like hitting this one first in the video is because it is one of the quickest churning bonuses available. What that means is after you close your account, whenever you hit the bonus, you can actually be considered a new customer again in 12 months, which is the way you play this game over the long run. It's also low on the check score, meaning that if you've applied for a lot of accounts recently, you will likely still be approved for this one as long as you meet that eligibility requirement. Speaking about checks, let's quickly go over what that is specifically. The difference between bank accounts and credit cards is bank accounts go through a program called checks systems usually. This is basically your credit score for your bank. It's basically a monitoring agency to check for fraud and other things like that. And if you've opened a bunch of accounts in a short period of time, you might start getting some denials, especially with some credit unions and other more sensitive ones. I wanted to bring this up here because a lot of people get confused between bank accounts and credit cards. Most bank accounts do not do a hard pull, and whatever one does, I try to kind of give you that warning ahead of time. But for the most part, it's just a soft pull, and then they check your check systems. All right, back to the Wells Fargo bonus. There's also a $15 monthly fee on this account that is waivable with a $500 direct deposit or more. So this is a pretty easy one to avoid, but in general, you want to do your best to keep your fees low. I don't have time to go through every single piece of information for each one of these accounts, but I do have a playlist for all of these accounts where I've gone over them in more detail along with the offer. For the purposes of this video, I'm just showing the direct deposit amount and how you can make $400 by just routing $1,000 to that account. So starting March 5th, that's when we're recording this video, you are making an extra $400 by the time they pay you out. Your next paycheck, we are going to route to Chase. It is the exact same bonus, only with a different big bank. $400 direct deposit bonus whenever you get a $1,000 direct deposit that hits your account within 90 days. This one has a quick payout within 15 days. It has some fees you need to pay attention to, but are pretty easy to avoid. This one has a 24-month cooldown, so it's a good one to get out of the way. One thing I will mention about this $400 Chase bonus, though, is there is a much better one if you have $15,000 and you can combine it with a savings account. That will also be in the best bank accounts video in the description if you want more information there. But if you aren't doing savings bonuses at this time or you don't have that kind of money, it is still good to get this bonus out of the way because it does have a cooldown period of 24 months if you want to try to get this bonus again in the future. So with our first 2 paychecks, we've already made $800 just by opening an account and routing it there. And we are just getting started. One thing I want to quickly talk about, I made this exact video back in 2024. It was one of my most popular videos and it took me weeks and weeks to research. This time it actually only took me about 5 minutes to research, and that is because of a software tool I created called StacksOS. Basically, it is a software where all you have to do is put in your paycheck amount and your payment frequency, and it gives you a dynamic roadmap to make as much money as possible from these direct deposit bonuses. So if you don't like spending a lot of time watching my face, watching these other videos, researching Doctor of Credit, and you still want to be able to leverage these bonuses for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes a month, it's a really good service that saves a lot of time. I'm going to quickly show you a quick demo and then we will get right over to the next bit of bonuses. All right, guys, right here is the software StacksOS. It is the software I use to make the bonus list for this video. Let's just show you guys how it works real quick. Basically, this is a software that keeps up to date with the best nationwide bonuses. And the only thing you have to do to make sure that you have a plan where you are reliably profiting off of them is to tell the system how much you're paid and how frequently it is. So in this video, it was $1,500 every 2 weeks. We'll just put that in. You can see down here, it dynamically changes your outlook over the next 12 months. So as of right now, it's 4,525. It's a little bit more than the video because I have a custom bonus in here. Basically that gives you a plan. It tells you exactly what to do next. This is your first bonus. You just click on it here to go to Chase, and it gives you the fees. And whenever you say you opened it, it gives you a checklist of things to do. So the first thing you want to do is open the account, make sure your direct deposit was met, and then the bonus posts. Then you are prompted to either keep the account or keep it open. I would like to mark it closed so I can churn it again in the future. And then it automatically is tracking down here when you can do it again. And it dynamically updates your bonus plan. As offers get updated, these come in and out depending on when they are available. And then it also changes based on your inputs. So that's a quick rundown of the software. I'm going to leave a longer form video that shows everything, but I just wanted to share that in case you guys were interested, and I will leave a link to that in the description. Thank you, StacksOS. Now back to our bonuses. The next one we'll be going over is the $450 US Bank Direct Deposit Checking Bonus. This one is a longer one. This is our third bonus now. You have to have $8,000 within 90 days to meet this $450 bonus. There are lower tiers that you can get a lower amount of bonus for, but I put the maximum one here because at that $1,500 mark, you will be able to hit that within 90 days. One reason I like this at the third bonus of the list is because we've already applied for 2 accounts, and this one will lock up our paycheck for 3 months and still give us a good return on it. Checks sensitivity cool down a little bit without opening an account every single month and still giving us a really good payout for the year. There are fees, other things to worry about. Again, check the video description. You can also get a link to my Notion pages where I put all of the bonuses that I research on there with more detail. That link will also be in the description or the pinned comment. So after our third bonus, this is probably going to take us until about June 2026 to get to this point, but we're already at 1,250. The next bonus is an easy $100 bonus. This is Varo Bank. It is a $100 checking bonus. You just have to set up a $500 direct deposit within 45 days. So one quick paycheck. This is just $100, but it's one of those really easy ones you can sign up for even on your phone. You open it on June 25th. About a couple weeks later, you'll get that paycheck in there, and then you'll receive your bonus. Quick disclaimer on this, I do have a referral link on here. It may even be maxed out by now, but there's a chance it will make some money. So keep that greed motivation in your mind as anyone recommends these sorts of things to you. But also if you have a friend or family who has this account, use their link, keep the money in the family as much as you can. All right, so the next paycheck is another $100 one. This is $100 from Affinity Federal Credit Union. You just have to have a $500 recurring direct deposit within 60 days. of account opening. This one is also only via referral. This one is high check sensitivity, so it's a good one to do this now before you get through a lot of other ones, and it does have a 12-month cooldown before you can get it again. If you haven't done a credit union bonus before, it takes a little more setup sometimes. Sometimes you have to join a association, but a lot of times that happens right at. So check the link in the description and make sure it's the right fit for you. But after this paycheck, we are already up to $1,450 in July of 2026, starting from March. Next one is another easy $100 one, also a referral bonus. If you use my link, thank you in advance. This is Chime, $100. Actually, I lied. Do not use my link on this one. I actually did a video recently talking about how to maximize this one with portal bonuses, and you can get this closer to effectively like $540 if you do it correctly. So check out that video. But for the purposes of this video, if all you're doing is wanting to maximize your direct deposit, you're not wanting to sign up for things like Rakuten, it's an easy $200 direct deposit bonus, and you just have to activate your debit card when they send it in the mail as well. This is a lifetime bonus. You get it once per lifetime, but it's a really easy one. It's one of the fastest ones you can do. That brings our stack up to $1,550. All right, the next bonus is the Citi $325 enhanced direct deposit bonus. So let's talk about that a little bit. So we're now in about August now. You can get $325 when you have 2 deposits totaling $3,000 within 90 days or 2 paychecks. I can't go over everything on this account as per usual, but one thing I do want to highlight about this one is that they have what is called enhanced direct deposit rule, meaning Zelle, Venmo, regular ACH pretty much make this thing check off. So you don't even have to use your regular payroll to hit this one. But your direct deposit will also work, and it is a checking account, and it is a churnable one, meaning you can get this one about 12 months after you close the account. So it is worth getting this one and getting it in line. And that brings our stack up to $1,875. And we'll move on to the next one. All right, the next one is the Pennsylvania State Employees Credit Union $300 new member bonus. This one is a credit union. It's a little less straightforward than some of the other bonuses, but the requirements are really low. You only have to set up a $500 direct deposit within 100 days of signing up, but signing up takes a little bit of work. If you're not from Pennsylvania and you're not a state employee, the way to get eligible for this is to join via the Pennsylvania Consumer Council, which sometimes has a $15 membership fee, but often the credit union will cover that. Whenever you sign up, that's how you get it. Another thing I want to point out here, there are some data points of this actually doing a hard pull on your credit. So if you're trying to keep your credit score up and you don't want additional hard pulls, maybe skip this one for now. All right, we're opening this one in September, and we're up to $2,175 now. The next one is the Capital One $300 direct deposit bonus for their 360 checking account. For this one, you just need 2 direct deposits of $500 or more, of $500 exactly or more, totaling $1,000 within 75 days. So 2 of your paychecks, and that gets you another $300. This one has a very low check sensitivity. Pretty straightforward. This one is good to do sooner than later because it has a very long cooldown period. I actually have been doing this for a few years now, and I'm still not eligible to return this one. They seem to keep pushing it off, but as of right now, it's about a 36-month cooldown as of what it says in their current terms. All right, so with that brings our stack to $2,475. The next paycheck, or the next bank we're going to route our paycheck to, is the E-Trade checking account. Not just a brokerage anymore, they have a proper FDIC insured checking account. The way to get this one is to have 2 deposits, direct deposits of $1,500 plus. So you need your paycheck of at least $1,500 to qualify for this one, totaling $3,000 within 90 days. So 2 of your paychecks. It needs to be funded within 30 days of opening. This one has an annoying fee that is really hard to waive. You have to have like a $5,000 average balance in the account, which in a checking account isn't great, but at 2% APY, it could be worth it, given that saving percentages are going down right now. Anyway, with that one, that brings our stack with our direct deposit bonuses in October to $2,775. All right, the next one is the BMO checking account. This one's a $400 bonus when you have $4,000 worth of direct deposit within 90 days or 3 paychecks. So you'll notice like towards the end of this video, I'm trying to put the ones that take your account locked up a little bit longer together. so that your checks can cool down a little bit more for the next year. So this one is a month and a half, 3 paychecks to hit your $4,000 cumulative direct deposit for this bonus. No fees on this one, so it's a really good one. And there is a cooldown of 12 months, so another really good churnable one for the future. And this one brings our stack up to $3,175. Next one is the PNC $400 direct deposit bonus. This one you have to deposit $5,000 within 60 days, and that takes four paychecks at $1,500 per paycheck. This one has quite a few fees, so watch the full video or really check the bank's terms to make sure you're avoiding these as much as you can. There's also an early account closure fee, which has not been on any of the accounts up to this point, of $25. It's in their terms per the data points. I haven't seen them enforce this, but it is actually in there, so you have to be prepared for that. This one's a 24-month churn, so it's a good one to get this out of the way so that you will get it in the future. That brings our stack up to $3,575. We are now in December. We started in March. We're about 9 months in, and we still have a bit more to go. Next one is this one, 316 Financial. This is a really easy one, a $100 checking bonus when you just have a $1,000 direct deposit within about 90 days of account opening. The data points show that this is a really easy one to get into. And this one we are opening February 4th after that last one. And I think we have time for one more in this bonus, which is the Bank of America $500 checking bonus. This one has a $100 and $300 tier for lower, but because at that we have 90 days with that $1,500 one, we are able to hit that $10,000 within 90 days. So this one is right on the edge. You have to time your paycheck perfectly to get this 500, but there is a way to maneuver it so you hit 7 paychecks, not just the 6 you would normally have when you're bi-weekly. You might have to time this out just right to hit that 500 because it is a 10,000. But worst case, you'll end up getting that $300 tier. But if you do it just right, you want to put all out your calendar for this, see when your bi-weekly paychecks are coming through, because you need 7 of your paychecks to hit within 90 days of account opening. But there are those lower tiers that you'll hit. Smaller monthly fees to worry about. Again, video link in the description for updated information on this for the Notion and for videos. All right, so $4,175 in about 12 months of just moving our paycheck around. It's a really profitable thing to do. You're basically giving yourself an 11% raise on a $39,000 per year income. And one thing I want to note here, it's been close to 12 months since we probably closed that Wells Fargo account, and we will want to do that starting off sometime in year 2. So then that's the point. That's a big benefit of this game, is you can keep the cycle rolling. All right, that is how we get to that amount with paycheck bonuses. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, a lot of these bonuses by the time you watch this video might have shifted. That's why I created StacksOS. It is a software that keeps up to date with the nationwide bonuses and gives you a plan, checklists, and a really easy interface to track all of this. So you can log in for 15 to 30 minutes and have a dynamic plan to make the most amount of money possible without having to spend all your time watching my videos or researching Doctor of Credit. But thank you so much for watching, and I will remember to also tell you that over here are the best checking bonuses of 2026. So try to keep that up to date. And then over here, I am going to post the StacksOS demo video. It's going to be an unlisted video, just if you're curious about the software. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.